Hey guys, this is Ronald from
What you talking about, Willis?
Product Reviews and Affiliate Training. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be bringing to you guys some really good affiliate marketing training from some of the top affiliates that I recommend. And I'm pretty sure it's going to benefit you too. And also I'll be dropping some nuggets and some of the things that have helped me out and helped me build my lists and things like that to help me make money online. So I just wanted to present myself, and again, welcome to my channel. To better assist you guys, tell me please, what areas are you struggling with? And click the link below and let me know, and I'll make sure that I provide you with good content, good videos that will help you through this affiliate journey. Okay guys, that's enough talking. Let's hop straight into this video.
Hey, how's it going, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're going to go ahead and cover how to get started for Clickbank beginners and how to make $100 per day in Clickbank for 2018 promoting Clickbank offers. Stay freaking tuned.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to make $100 per day with Clickbank, and this is especially for Clickbank beginners. If you don't know what the heck you're doing, where to start, what to do, right? Literally for free, I'm actually going to show you how to do this, right? So the first thing that you want to do is obviously you want to go ahead and create an account. Clickbank.com, create an account. And once you create an account, it's simply going to go ahead and ask you for the regular things that any creating an account would ask for. Then the next step is once you create an account and you get inside and you get accepted, is to go to the Clickbank marketplace found at the top, right? Now, once you go to the marketplace, you want to figure out what categories you want to promote. Now, the best word for categories is called niche, right? So what are you interested in? Arts, as seen on TV, ebooks, education, employment, jobs, games, fiction, health, fitness, travel, sports, right? What the heck are you interested in? Now, just to be aware, the big three are health, wealth, and romance, right? So the self-help, right? Health and fitness, where are we at? Also, e-business and e-marketing, right? Those are going to be the big three. Now, you want to find all of them work, but you want to find one that you're going to make the most money in, right? So I personally would do the big three, but if none of those three interests you, find something that you're interested in, right? Now, the next step would simply be doing your due diligence and doing your research. So I'm going to do what I know best, which is e-business and e-marketing, right? And what we want to do, one little trick that I'll teach you just to save your time, effort, and energy is to go ahead and automatically eliminate the crappy offers. Now, what gravity means for Clickbank is simply the amount of people who are making money on a day-to-day or weekly basis, right? So that means 30. If 30 people are selling it, that means I can sell it, right? So this gravity, the AZ code, I have no idea what that is. So I would go ahead and search about 100, excuse me, not 100, 10 offers. I would get 10, right? I would open 10 in a new tab. I'm just going to do 3 just for this example. This one has gravity of, where's this gravity? Gravity of 66. So Ecom Sniper, and then CB University. That one has, where are we at? Wow, why is it taking so long for me to find this? Oh, gravity is 55. Okay. So, with that being said, the next step would be actually looking at the sales pages. So, Clickbank University. All right, perfect. So, guys, basically, Clickbank University, Ecom Profits, and basically this right here, right? So you can promote all these for free. What you want to do is simply go ahead and the first step is looking at the gravity score, seeing if people are actually making money with this product. Then second, seeing, and this goes for all niches, all categories. Next step is actually looking at the sales process. Now, there's some sales processes that look extremely spammy. One thing, this is very clean, right? This is very clean. This is very clean. Now, just because the sales process is good doesn't mean the product isn't good. So if you want to go above and beyond, what I recommend is pull out your credit card, make a purchase, especially if it isn't too expensive. Let's just say it's a $30 offer. Make a purchase, right? And worst case scenario, if you don't like the offer or you don't like the product, then you can simply go ahead and ask for a refund and they'll refund you guys, right? Now, with that being said, after you've made a purchase and you are good with the sales process, you just narrow down your offers, right? To where you go ahead and based off these pages, right? You go ahead and see which ones are the most congruent with your brand. And look, if you are in, you can make up to $3,000 in Amazon commission. So I'll go ahead. The reason why I'll go ahead and choose this one is because Amazon is hot right now, right? So here's a Clickbank offer that I can go to promote right freaking now, and Amazon is hot, right? So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go ahead back to AZ, right? Once you find the offer that you want to promote, you're simply going to go and press promote. Then what it's going to do is you're going to have your account nickname and then a tracking ID. A tracking ID is a whole nother story, but an example is, let's just say I create a funnel specifically for YouTube traffic. Now this is to track where your traffic is coming from. Now I'll go to create this link and you see YouTube traffic. Now if I wanted to create a link for Instagram traffic, I'll do this. If I wanted to create one for Facebook traffic, I'll put Facebook traffic, right? Now what you're going to do is get your link, right? Now here's the thing. The next step is, how do we get people to this link, right? Now, one thing that I would highly recommend, right, what a lot of people teach is to drive traffic to this link. Now, if you create a YouTube account, you start doing content marketing, that's what I do. Right now I have 5,000 subscribers, but just to show you guys that you don't have to have a large following to generate sales, right? If you look, let's just say 4 days ago, 137 views, and let's just say 5 days ago, 60 views, right? So 5,000 subscribers, 5 days ago, 60 views, right? Now, if we look on my YouTube channel, 2 weeks ago, I have one that has 13,000 views, right? Now, the reason why I have so many views is because I ranked for how to get free money, and I also ranked for how to get free money on PayPal. Now, just to prove this to you guys, I'm gonna go to, oh, where is it? I don't know why it's not letting me press edit. If I was to go, well, basically, I ranked for these two, right? Well, actually, let me just do this, right? YouTube, how to get free money. If you look, guys, on how to get free money, I'm literally ranked #1. So what happened was, and I actually do have a video, search through my YouTube channel on how to rank your YouTube videos. Literally 2 weeks ago, I ranked for this keyword, and all the traffic, and when I mean all the traffic, I mean literally all the traffic of people who say how to get free money, who type this in, are going to call, look, 74 million results are going to come across my video first. So before they look at all of these, they're going to check out my video first. And at the end, right, I'm providing value. At the end, I'm simply redirecting to people to my lead magnet. And a lead magnet is something that you're giving away for free, which is my ebook, right? So like 14,000 views in the last, since April 12th. And here's what I do is I have content, right? You don't want to just be promoting because nobody are gonna actually look at your content, right? But at the end, I say, go ahead and check out this ebook down below. And then here's my affiliate link, right? Now on the back of this, I have a sales funnel, right? You guys can do the same thing. You guys can create a lead magnet. And guys, I promise you, your sales funnels don't have to be this complex, right? What I use a software called ClickFunnels, and it's loading right now, my actual sales funnel. But watch till the end of this video, and I'll ensure you that you can get all the resources that you need to actually carry this out, right? But here's my sales funnel. Just to show you guys another one of my sales funnels, I need this lifestyle.com for my Instagram traffic. It's going to be coming up in a second. So here's another one, right? This one's specifically for Instagram. It's a lot simpler, and I don't even have to have a video, right? Now, guys, the reason why I would highly recommend, instead of just driving traffic to your link, your unique affiliate link, I would recommend creating one of these sales funnels, and then on the back end of this sales funnel, then you connect your link, right? So once you learn for free how I easily make $1,300 per day posting Instagram photos. Once they opt in, then what I would do, and you want this to your capture page to be congruent with your link, right? So the link that we have is right here. I could say, if you want to learn how to make $3,000 in Amazon commissions, right, put your information in and you can get access to a free video training. That can be on my capture page, and then once they opt in and put their email in, they're going to go ahead and get access to this video sales letter. Now, the reason why you want to do it that way, guys, with your affiliate offers on Clickbank is because if you're just creating or driving traffic to this sales page, what happens if that person doesn't buy, right? They might only 3% out of 100% of people on an extremely converting sales process are going to actually buy. It's more like 1%. So out of 100 people visiting, not that many people are going to buy. However, out of 100 people visiting, if you capture their information, right? Yesterday I had 266 people subscribe and then 33 people subscribe. What that means is that they actually came across one of my sales funnel pages like this, and they put in their email, and then what happens is I captured that lead. Now, once I capture that lead, they're still going to get access to my sales process, right? So if I was to kind of show you, now here's an offer I'm promoting. If they enter their information on the opposite side, they're going to go ahead and get paid, or excuse me, get access to a sales page, right? So here's my sales page, right? They're going to go ahead and get access to my sales page. So my sales page is just like this one, right? But, or just like this one. But just in case they don't buy the first time, what this allows me to do by capturing these leads is I can follow up with them. So I can send emails to them, right? I'll show you guys legacy follow-up series in my Aweber account. I have 45 emails of following up to these people. Now, with that being said, because I'm following up with these people, there's more of a chance of them making a purchase. So if you see something one time in comparison to 45 times, you're more likely to buy it, right? So what you need is you need an email autoresponder like Aweber. You need a sales funnel software that you can create sales funnels with, like ClickFunnels, right? That I use to create my sales funnels. And then you want to go ahead and connect your that link that you get on the back of that sales funnel, so that way you can actually follow up with these individuals. So with that being said, guys, whether you're doing ClickBank offers, affiliate marketing offers, whatever, you want to make sure that you're putting the traffic in front of a sales funnel first, so you can capture those leads, and you can start doing email marketing on the back end, right? And that, my friend, is literally the sales process that is going to allow you to make $100 per day. Now, let's show you guys how we're going to make $100 per day. Now, that's just one method, guys. There's different traffic methods. That's just the easiest one for free, right? Creating a YouTube account, doing content marketing, and basically the best way to figure out how to create YouTube content, if you go to YouTube, right? Let's just say I'm promoting self-development, right? How to get, or how to, actually I'm going to do one that has a lot of competition, but how to lose belly fat, right? So I can actually try to rank for this. You guys saw how I ranked for how to get free money. You can do 4 steps to lose belly fat, right? So you can literally duplicate this content. Read this watch this video, and then use this link so people are actually searching for it. 8 months ago, 4.3 million views, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to create a video around this content, or not around this content, create video around this actual, this topic. And then once you create a video around this topic, then you can go ahead and at the end of your video say, hey, while you're, if you like this, if you want a shorter or a faster way to get results, take a look at this. And then you're going to go ahead and redirect them to your actual sales process, right? And with that being said, guys, the next step would be driving them to your sales funnel, right? Your sales funnel. Here's one of my sales funnels. And then they're going to go ahead and get on your email list. And then you're going to follow up with them. And then people are going to buy up front. And then the people that don't buy up front are going to buy on the back end, right? And you always have this email list to where if you do want to promote something else in the future, like another ClickBank offer, then you can do that to your list and it's free traffic. So with that being said, guys, just to calculate the numbers, this offer right here, A to Z, is average sales $57. And if we promote it, 60%, right? Let's do the math really quick. Let me pull out my iPhone. 60%, 60%, or 57 times 0.6, so 34. So $34 in commissions per sale. That means you have to get 3 sales per day. So all you have to do is start doing content marketing and focus on 3 sales per day, and you'll be making $100 a day, and you'll be making $3,000 per month, right? It's that simple, guys.